Hi everybody, Justin Caldwell here at Caldwell Equipment on Main Street in DeSoto. I want to talk to you about a Ferris mower. We have an extra $900 in discounts on a 61-inch Ferris 500S model. I want to show you this machine because it's such a great deal. We've only got a few of them left at this price, so let me show you what we've got. This is the 500S. Kawasaki engine, 24 horsepower. You'll notice it's got a wide stance, it's got rear suspension, and the thing that Ferris is famous for is, of course, full suspension on all four corners. So this mower's got suspension in the front and in the rear. This is a wide 61-inch deck. Can definitely get a lot of grass cut in a short amount of time. So the big story right now on the 500S, this model comes with the LED headlight standard. It has an extra $900 in discounts right now. That is definitely, once we sell out, we will not have that deal again. So you take an extra $900 off of any payment tier that you choose. This is the tier that you would pay if you were going to do 0% for 48-month financing, minus $900. This is the tier that you'd pay if you're going to pay with a credit or debit card, minus $900. And then this is the tier you'd pay if you were doing cash, cashier's check, or a 0% for 6-month plan. You take $900 off of that. So really great deal. If you're looking for this Ferris model, or any other Ferris model, we also sell Hustler and Spartan. But please come and see us. We're at 1914 North Main Street in DeSoto. You can look us up on our website, which is caldwellequipment.com. You can call or text us at 636-586-9607. And look us up on our service plan website, which is caldwelladvantage.com. If you enroll in the service plan, it's the cheapest way to get your mower serviced each year. It includes free transportation, and just by getting your mower serviced here in our service department, you can keep 7 years of coverage on your Ferris mower. So we'd love to have the opportunity to earn your business. Please come and see us, call us, text us, email. We appreciate your time.